We're heading out here. A lot of water on here. You can see me walking through the water here. A lot of people out here doing some ice fishing. The weather's crazy here. It's going to be warm tomorrow. It's warm now. Got about 7 inches of ice on here. But it's safe. We're heading over there on the other side. There's people down there. So, taking advantage of this January thaw. But, kind of crazy. That's the way it goes, man. Let's see what happens. But, it's all water on top of the ice here. But it's pretty thick. So, let's see what happens. I'll probably do some cooking on there. Got hot dogs, sauerkraut. Hot dogs from Wisconsin, cheesehead. But, I mean, not hot dogs. Sauerkraut from Wisconsin, cheesehead. Just so you know. But, yeah. You hear me walking through the darn water. Got my wool socks on, just in case. But, it's my setup, but, the guys are still lollygagging back there. But my son-in-law's up there. He's got a lot of stuff. Little bobcat sled there. But just clean out the hole here. Nine inches on the other hole. I'm not sure what the ice is here, but I'll take it. Even though we've had some, well, we had a couple very cold nights and we had some cold weather before, then we got a warm spell. So you know, and my tip ups there, name on it and all that business. Bait over there. We got small, but we got different sized baits there. But get moving here. Get that bait in the water. Clear out the other holes. We'll do some cooking and fishing. Yeah, we'll just have a good time out here. That's all. But yeah, I got a few guys out here. I got 4 in our gang. One guy's gonna be doing some jigging. But yeah, let's see how deep this is. Okay, this hole, 9 inches, man. 9 inches. So I'm gonna get the bait in there, get it down in there, and I'll get back to you, man. Some running? No? Wind? So you got the water from the top. It's kind of running in there, if you can see it.
I sure can.
Yeah. It's getting windy out here though, so but, we're doing okay. Doing okay out here. Yeah. We're okay. Alright, we'll go cook some food. Alright guys, we got something here. Walking over here. Yes sir. Got something on there.
Oh yeah, there's something there.
Come on now. Oh, bring him in. Oh, yes. We got ourselves a nice bass, man. Look at that bass. Let me see that bass. That big boy. Come on now. That's what I'm talking about. Hold on, Jason. Hold up. Oh, that's a nice one. Look at that, man. Cool.
Nice, eh?
Look at that. Nice. Nice.
Yeah, no kind of.
We're not messing around here now. We got ourselves a bass. folks. It's good. We got some food cooking. Brewski. We're good.
Take me a picture and send it to me.
Okay, let me change the.
That's cool.
Some running? No? Wind?
Yeah.
So you got the water from the top. It's kind of running in there if you can see it.
I sure can.
Yeah. It's getting windy out here though, so but, we're doing okay. Doing okay out here. Yeah. We're okay. I'm gonna go cook some food. Got my little kit here. Got my little green fire starter made by veterans. Right there. Little fire starter comes with it. Kind of testing it out. I'm ice fishing here. It's too windy out here, so I'm putting this actually in my my bowl. Let me bring it a little closer for you. Yeah. See, jetboil plus jetboil support. I'm not going to use these now. They're not the starters, but I'm going to use some little pumpkin head. A couple pots. I'm trying out. These are brand new. Tell you the name of that. So I'm going to use this. There's 2 pots there. It comes with the set. All that stuff. And I'm going to put some hot dogs and some sauerkraut from Wisconsin, up in Cheesehead territory up there. Cheesehead Chris territory. But so I'll get back to you, man. So I got Willie sauerkraut here from Wisconsin. Looking good, and I got some Kayem. I think it's Kayem. Hot dogs here in New England. They're good. Cook them up on that stove there. And, I suppose I should use a ferro rod that comes with the cook set that I'm trying out. But yeah, we're gonna have some dogs, and I'll probably put a beer in there. Probably some old lion's head from down in Pennsylvania, old coal cracker. It was mean on it, but you can see everything blown away. Look at that. Look at that. Start this. So I just put this on. I use a ferro rod that came with the kit. Give the information out. You see how this goes. Real windy here. Real windy here. Guys. See how it goes, man. Looks like the food's cooking pretty good here, man. Oh yeah, she's looking good, man. Look at that. Come on. How's that? Got the wind. Well, we're doing real good here, man. We got the deflector underneath. All the boys over here. We're gonna have some hot dogs. Sauerkraut. Wisconsin sauerkraut. Looking good here, man. Yeah, we're gonna be eating here. Getting ready to eat now. Pretty good here. Lost some of our food down there and knocked everything over. But good mine in here. So we're fine. Still jetboil. Cool. Everything's good, man. Lift this up. Got my reflector going. Down somewhere, Jason. spot down here. But I'm going to use the pot holder to kind of move this because it gets very hot in here. Be careful. Yeah, got a very warm in here. Be very careful. Damn, it's hot. But we're okay, man. Okay. Just leave it like that. Cool. Fine, man. Got our stuff ready. Dogs are ready. Everything's ready. Keep it warm. Yeah, keep it warm like that. Hey, how you doing?
Really, these fucking bitter cold days are struggling on the ice.
What'd you lose some weight, man? Did you lose some weight?
I think, yeah, I did.
Did. I got hot dog sauerkraut ready right now. Looks like John ralphed on the ice there, but his whole thing got knocked over from the wind.
Oh, no shit?
Yeah.
I got, yeah,
Most of it.
buckets flying.
Hot dog sauerkraut right here. You want some?
Well, let them get set up. And
Yeah.
I might not. I just got my license today.
We got a couple. I was going out the door. I said, "Geez, I don't have my license."
My sled. I'm going to Champlain. We're going to Little April in 2 weeks with John.
Yeah, he told me about it.
My
Yeah.
buddy's kid took my sled. I got the small one like that.
Yeah.
Put hooks on the side for the bungees. He put a hitch on it.
Yeah.
And tow it up. He's putting a hitch on it to tow with a snowmobile.
nice.
All right, so and this is not shut.
Brutal cold days, man.
This. There it is there. Rolls I'm going to cut in half. All right. Got the mustard right down there. All right. Remember Doyle, right?
Oh, they're losing their stuff. These guys behind us are losing their stuff.
Shut this off, right?
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm walking over here now. Got a flag here. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna hand this over to my son-in-law. Oh, you got it? Let's see what we got. Let's see. I'm gonna put on my pumpkin head here. Oh yeah, she's running, baby. Oh yeah, we got a runner. We got a runner here. Look at that sucker run. She is running. Okay. So let's see. Yeah, so we got a basset. Let's make this up for another day. We're doing fine on, man. We're doing fine. Let me go.